So I found this amazing offer to try a Gousto box for 65% off. If you don't know what Gousto is, let me show you. Gousto is a food box delivery service where you pick your meals online and they send you this huge box of all the ingredients measured out precisely, along with recipe cards right to your doorstep. They have plenty of vegetarian, fish and meat options to choose from. Just be aware the meat is not halal. So you pick 4 meals, choose a delivery date and wait for your box to arrive. If you click on the meals, it tells you what ingredients you will need and more about the nutritional value. I'll show you how much all this cost me after the unboxing part of the video. Recipe card. Oh, this is one for lighter Mediterranean veg lasagna. Then we've got a recipe card for herby fish fingers with chips and aioli. I don't know how you say that. We've got a book. We've got some more. This one is crispy lemon pasta with chili rice. And then we've got homemade fish goujons and cheesy beans. Okay, so we've got some packets. This is bits and bobs for recipes. Okay, so it's got some numbers written here and I'm guessing that should match up with one of these cards. Okay, so 5233, 5233. Got an aubergine here, some pepper. I'm guessing this is all for the Mediterranean veg lasagna. An egg. Not sure which recipe this is for. Another egg. 2 eggs here. We've got something in here. Got some garlic in here actually. Got some garlic in here. I'm not sure which one's that one for. Got some parsley. We've got bits and bobs for $7.90, which is homemade fish goujons. Okay, so we've got some more stuff in here. We've got some potatoes. Quite a lot. I'm guessing these are all for the chips. So all these potatoes. We've got more potatoes actually. Right, we've got more potatoes. We've got 2 lemons. We've got some spring onion. A chili. Got some broccoli, onion. Like how everything's in their own brand. This is lentils. Cool. We've got some tomato frito. 2 tins of these. And we've got some shake and store. That's a shake. Okay. Shake it and store it. This is some rocket, getting for a side. Okay, and in this box we have, okay, this is just to keep everything in place. So all this needs to go freeze or reuse or recycle. So it doesn't actually say what's in here. Guessing some fish. Everything's fish anyway. So we've got some basa fillets here. 1, 2, 3. It's got a use by date as well. It says keep refrigerated. been frozen in already. So that's 22nd of January and today is the 17th. We got some grated Italian hard cheese. We got some mini cheddar. I hope this is all in focus because I can't see my camera. Some frozen peas. It says keep refrigerated. And we've got some yogurt. And that is it. So that's the box. I like how everything's packed. Everything's packed quite nicely, quite compact. Nothing that was shaken around. So it says on here, everything in this box. This box keeps your ingredients brilliantly chilly. Pop them straight in the fridge so they stay fresh. So whatever is in here has now gone into the fridge. I opened this before. It's just a freezer pack. Just an ice block, and it keeps everything fresh, especially all the fish and the meats that come inside the Gousto box. That was that. Pack of breadcrumbs. Some mayonnaise. Oh, that is all in this bag. I've got some panko breadcrumbs. This is for the homemade fish goujons and cheesy beans. I've got the vegetable stock mix. From Henderson's relish. Little cute jar there. That's those three. So for this recipe, we got this bag. Got some vegetable stock mix. We've got some tomato paste. We've got some corn flour. And we got some dried basil. Now for this one, there's this one here. Okay. We've got some basmati rice. Got some corn flour again. We've got some soy sauce. We've got some toasted sesame. And we have some honey. I love honey. This entire box cost me £12.25p. That's £1.53 per serving. Isn't that crazy? If you want to try a box, I'll leave a link in the description. Now, the reason why I love this box was you can plan your meals ahead of time. It feels quite exciting when the box comes. Everything is measured out exactly, so there's no waste. There's such a huge variety of meals to choose from. They change the recipes weekly. The recipe cards are really clear and well presented. All the ingredients arrived fresh, and it's nice and encouraging to try ingredients and recipes you wouldn't usually make. The downside is it's not ideal for big families. Everything is fresh, which is a good thing, but then it also means that you do need to cook it the week it comes. They did miss an item in the box, not sure how commonly that happens, so they did forget to add the cannelli beans, which was part of one of these recipes. In the end, online, once they've delivered the box, they have this area where they say, how was the box? Was there anything missing? Anything damaged? And in there, I did input that the cannelli beans were missing, so they offered a £2 off voucher on my next box. I'll upload all the recipes that came in this box too, and here you can watch how to make the lasagna recipe.